Hey, what is up guys? I hope you all are doing good and safe. In this video, I will be sharing with you an easy recipe to make your oats more tastier. Now, there are a lot of people who do not consume oats only because of the taste. Some people do consume it because they do add whey protein into it, but people who do not consume whey protein or people who do not purchase whey protein do not consume oats only because of the taste factor. So in this video I will be sharing with you a easy recipe which will help to make your oats more tastier, and I'm sure you will consume it on a daily basis. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Now before we dive into the ingredients of making this oats meal, I want to explain to you guys the benefits of oats. Now whenever we talk about carbohydrates and whenever we are talking about cutting that fat, we are always worried. We feel that if we eat carbohydrates, we are going to put on fat and we are not going to reduce our weight, but that is not the case. There are two types of carbohydrates basically. One is a simple carbohydrate, one is a complex carbohydrate. Now the simple carbohydrates include white rice, breads, white bread, brown bread, and so on. But then your complex carbohydrates include your oats, brown rice, and then sweet potato. Now what is the difference between simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates? Complex carbohydrates takes time to digest in our body and gives you energy for longer duration, and it will keep you full, compared to simple carbohydrates which results into the instant spike in the blood sugar levels. So if you're having your workout, before your workout you should be consuming simple carbohydrates, but then if you're not working out, as soon as you get up in the morning, you are not going to work out, right? You're going to do some of your tasks. So that's the time when you should be consuming complex carbohydrates, because complex carbohydrates are going to give you energy for a longer duration, and then it will not spike your blood sugar levels instantly. There will be a low rise in the blood sugar levels, which is very important when you're trying to cut that fat and stay in shape. So that is the reason why first meal is usually the oats meal, and most of the athletes consume oatmeal. So now this was the explanation. Hope you have understood the difference between simple carbs and complex carbs. If you have any doubts, make sure you write it down in the comment box below. And now let's move towards the ingredients. Now let's dive into the ingredients required to prepare this meal. The first ingredient is oats. Measure out 30 to 40 gram of oats on a measuring scale. If you do not have a measuring scale, you can use tablespoon. 3 to 4 tablespoon of oats would be equal to 30 to 40 grams of oats. The second ingredients are fruits. You can use fruits depending upon their availability and whichever fruit you like. I usually use apple, pomegranate, strawberry, or avocados. Once this is done, the third ingredient is milk. 1 glass of milk, or else 200 ml of milk. You can just like you measured out oats, in the same fashion you can measure out milk. If you do not have a measuring scale, take 1 glass of milk and then add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. The reason why I told you to use cinnamon powder is because cinnamon powder helps to lower the blood sugar levels. And the final ingredients are dry fruits. If you have almonds, walnuts, peanuts available at your home, you can use them. Now let's dive into the process to make them. First, use a mixer and grind the oats to fine particles. Add 200 ml of milk, that is 1 glass of milk, and then once this is done, add your chopped fruits. Make sure you chop your fruits, otherwise it does not grind into fine particles. Add nuts to it and then enjoy. People who have whey protein, they can add whey protein to it. It tastes more better, but then without protein also it tastes very good. So guys, I have also written a blog on this topic. Make sure you check that blog, and if you learned something from this blog, do hit a like and also leave a comment your feedbacks on that blog. And yes, if you have learned something from this video, make sure you hit a like. This motivates creators like us to make more content just for you guys. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and there's also a bell icon besides that subscribe button. You also hit on that so that you get notified whenever I upload such informative videos. Just a second, let me check if I have completed all the points. Yes. One last point, I will be posting more of such kind of content, easy recipes, healthy recipes, clean diet, which will help us to stay in shape and also to enjoy the food that we are eating. And I'm done, guys. All the points are covered, but before you leave, I'm also planning to put another video, basically 2 videos every week. One video will be focusing towards the diet, easy meals, and the other video will be focusing towards helping students to get jobs, because I am getting a lot of comments from people who do not have jobs to share more information about cloud computing and stuff. So I am planning to make a vlog on those topics also. So make sure you stay subscribed to the channel, and you can share those videos with people who are looking out for jobs. I'm done. I have covered all the points. Guys, if you have stayed till the end of the video, I really appreciate all your time in watching my videos. And while you wait for the next week's video, make sure you check these 2 videos out. And on the same note, I will be signing off, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, much love. God bless you all.